Okay, so now we're gonna reset the maintenance required. So the first thing we gotta do is key on. We're gonna press display because we need trip A to be on the dash. So now we're gonna click display until we see trip A on the dash. And I think that is that. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna key off, hold down the display button, and then press key on. And it's supposed to be flashing. Now it's gonna say, that's it. It's off. Key off. Key on. You see it right there? Look, disappeared. And that is how it's done. Yeah. So, thank y'all for viewing. Thank you very much. Leave y'all comments down in the comment section. Anything that y'all saw what I was doing and it may not be the right way. Remember I said, yeah, leave them comments down in the comment section. And please like, share. Please, I'm asking y'all, subscribe. Okay? Subscribe. I need them subscription, guys. Please, I'm asking y'all, subscribe to the channel and catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.